Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Zubair Hossain Abir. On this very platform, I am going to discuss about Uber and its consequent business policies on the basis of ACM Code of Ethics and AC Code of Ethics with my group members Mohammad Ashraf, Nasif Wasek Fahim, and Muim Nahid. First of all, ACM Code of Ethics and AC Code of Ethics are a collection of principles and guidelines designed to help computing professionals make ethically responsible decisions in professional practice. These guidelines have been designed so that a computing professional or app developer abide by such principles and maintain social responsibilities, public welfare, etc. So, Nasif, do you know that Uber is exploiting the gig economy?
I fail to see how Uber is exploiting the gig economy. You see, Uber is a very convenient app for both the users and the drivers, which they call the private contractors. Uber offers vehicles for hire, food delivery, and even rentals. In a country like Bangladesh, where taxi riding is not feasible option for people, use of Uber is more flexible, reliable, and manageable from an economic standpoint. It has also created many employments for drivers who can do a flexible and independent job without the need for schedules and boss. So, what is your opinion about this, Ashraf?
Yes, you are right that it has created new employment, but it has also created new ways to exploit workers. By this gig economic system, Uber is not obliged to provide minimum wage, overtime payment, assurance, etc. Such problem doesn't occur to people who owns a car, but to the people who use rent a car. A research conducted in 2018 confirms that only 2 out of 7 Uber drivers uses their own car in Bangladesh. These people have to fulfill a certain quota, like giving 51 trips each week to give full salary. There is no job assurance in Uber because of the absurd rating system. Uber is basically breaking the ACM Code 2.3, where app developer has to know and respect existing laws pertaining to professional work by depriving laborers of their basic rights. Because of this, in 2018, California has imposed a law named Assembly Bill 5 so that Uber or other apps like Uber ensures basic rights of labor. So, Muyam, what do you think about Uber after all this?
Yeah, Ashraf, this is a problem. But Ashraf, don't you think that Uber is changing and has insured a medical insurance for any driver in Bangladesh?
Yes, but Uber also has a long way to go because Uber doesn't provide any petrol bill or car maintenance bill. Even during this pandemic, the drivers had to give commission to Uber when Uber driving was halted because of the pandemic.
Yeah, I see. But at least the riders are enjoying ride in a reasonable price, right? Don't you think, Abir?
Well, no, because the pricing of Uber fare is a problem in itself. Because Uber uses demand slash supply and surge pricing. Because of this, same fare doesn't apply for the same destination and it can vary according to occasion. This breaks the SE code 4.4 where app developers are said to not engage in double billing. So Nasif, do you still think Uber is a convenient app?
Well, if you put it that way, then at least Uber is transparent because you can see the driver's rating before getting into a car. I mean, it is really a much needed feature for the women's safety in Bangladesh, don't you think?
Yes, but recently Uber is banned in London because unapproved drivers can upload photos in other Uber accounts and can complete trips. This is a violation of SE code 8.8 where drivers are influenced to breach code. So, Nasif, can you contemplate the possibilities of such deeds?
Yes, I can. Even though many drivers take Uber as a full-time job, they are, but still, I can think of the people who can do this as a side job. But Abir, I wish to know what is Uber doing to lift off the ban from London and what is Uber's reaction after California AB5 law was imposed?
Well, right now, Uber is kindly working on real-time ID system for drivers to lift the ban on London. And in California, Uber has given a statement that changing the company policy overnight is not feasible and currently requested for an appeal. Well, Ashraf, is there any other ways to rig the system?
Fine, Uber can be used for some potential misuse where AC code 8.8 can be breached. Many drivers can start the trip even before the rider enters into the vehicle. A fake demand can be created by switching off the Uber accounts of drivers. So, Muyam, do you think the app is easy to use and understandable?
Yes, I think the app is easy to use and also very understandable. Abir, do you think the same?
Well, the app is easy to use, but what about many illiterate people who use this app and is a private contractor who is not fluent in English? There is no Bangla mode available for the app. This is a violation of SE code 3.7 where specification of software is said to be ensured. So this is a problem, Muim.
Yeah, it is. So, Ashraf, what is your opinion about solving this problem?
Yeah, I think with proper law implementation in local, national, and international states, this kind of issue can be stopped. Also, by applying SCE code, SCM code entirely, this kind of issue would never have occurred.
Yeah, I see. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.